Good morning, students. Today is your English turn. So, this is your English book. And now, come to chapter 5. Chapter 5 Phonic Sound of O. As I have already taught you, chapter 5 Phonic Sound of O. So, today I'll teach you how to fill your book. Okay. Now, turn to page number 34. You will see here worksheet. Okay, in exercise A, look at the pictures and match them with their names. Okay, in column A there are pictures and in column B their names. Number 1, what is this? This is a joker. So you have to search where is joker. Search from here. Where is joker? Yes, here it is. In number C, Joker, joker. So you will match in number C. Number 2, this is a book. So let's search where is book. Where is book? Yes, it is here. In number D, BOOK, book. So you have to match this book in D. And this is cow. And where is cow? Yes, it is here in number A, COW, cow. So you'll match it in A. And what is this? Doll. Where is doll? Yes, it is here, DOLL, doll, in B. So you'll match it in B. Now exercise B. Look at the pictures and fill in the correct letter in the blanks. What is this? This is a log. LOG, log. This is top. TOP, top. This is doll. DOLL, doll. So you have to fill O. This is toy. TOY, toy. Pot. POT, pot. You have to write here O. What is this? This is a cot. COT, cot. You'll write here O. And you know what is this? Yes, it is a dog. Dog. And the spelling of dog is? Yes, DOG, dog. You will write here O. And this is boy. BOY, boy. O. Cross the odd one. Number 1, HOOK, hook. NOON, noon. SOON, soon. BOON, bun. So this is different, so we will cross this. Okay. Number 2, NOSE, nose. This is odd sound. Okay. GOAT, God. This is odd sound. DOSE, dose, odd sound. POSE, pause. This is also odd sound. So there are 3 odd sound and this one is different, so we will cross this. Number 3, HOOK, hook. TOOK, took. COOK, cook. And BOX, box. This is different now. These all are same and this is different, so we will cut this. Number 4, CLOWN, clown. DOWN, down. JOKER, joker. TOWN, down. So this one is different, so we will cross this. Number 5, ROCK, rock. COCK, cock. LOCK, lock. BOY, boy. Oh, this is different, so we will cross this. Okay. Now exercise D. Make 9 O sounding words from the following letters. OOL, ool sound. OON, own sound. O-O-K, ook sound. Okay. So we will make a words from ool sound. Okay. So this is W-O-O-L, wool. T-O-O-L, tool. C-O-O-L, cool. These all are ool sound. And O-O-N, own sound. Now we will write own sound. N-O-O-N, noon. M-O-O-N, moon. S-O-O-N, soon. So these all are own sound. Okay. Now ook sound. L-O-O-K, look. B-O-O-K, book. C-O-O-K, cook. These all are ook sound. Now exercise E. Fill the blanks to make both the words rhymes with each other. B-O-O-K, book. So we will write here cook and look. This is noon. So we will write here moon and here soon. Dog sound. Cock, lock. Hold, wool, pull. Number F. Complete the words. What is this? This is book. So you will fill here B-O-O-K, book. This is rose. So you will write here O-E, R-O-S-E, rose. This is doll. D-O-L-L, doll. Okay. You have to write it properly, neat and clean. Okay.